Does it feel like time is going faster and faster? To me, it feels like time is flying by. When I was younger though, I never had this issue. Why does it feel like time gets faster as I get older? In order to explain this phenomenon, I'll need to discuss psychology and a hint of math. It turns out that there are two types of time that relate to this topic: chronological time and mind time. Chronological time is the time displayed on clocks. Mind time is our perception of time. Mind time is based on the number of mental images our brain encounters and records. Since our brains are more alert when we're young, there are more mental images recorded, resulting in time seemingly going by slowly. As we get older, there are less mental images recorded due to a reduction in neuron activity. This means that mind time speeds up. Some simple math can be used to illustrate our perception of time. For example, when I was 2 years old, a year was half of my lifetime. To a baby, a year is a very long time. However, a year is only 1/60th of a 60-year-old's lifetime. To a grandpa, a year is not a long time. Now, you've probably heard the classic phrase, time flies when you're having fun. Is this true? Yes! When you're spending more mental energy during a certain time, it seems to go by quickly, in the moment. If you are bored or using less mental energy, then time seems to drag on forever. However, this brings us to a paradox. When looking back on time, we don't perceive it the same way as we did when we experienced it. For example, vacations fly by in the moment, but when reflecting back on that vacation, it seems to last a long time. So while having fun makes time fly by in the moment, when reflecting back on that moment, it seems to last a long time. This paradox also applies to boredom. When you're bored in the moment, it seems to last forever. However, when looking back on that period of boredom, it doesn't seem to last that long. There is a solution to the problem of time flying by. But before I introduce it to you, I want to perform a sort of experiment. Now, pictures are going to flash up on the screen, and it is your job to identify which picture was up for the longest. Which picture do you think was displayed for the longest? The picture of the house or the person? Most people would say that the person was displayed the longest, but in fact, all the pictures were displayed for the same amount of time. Novelty makes time seem to last longer. One of the reasons time is so steady as a child is due to the amount of novelty. Kids are constantly exploring and learning things. Children are always recording new mental images, which means their mind time slows down. If we want our time to slow down, then we need to escape the routine and start to have new experiences. Hiking on a different trail, trying food from a unique restaurant, or learning a new skill on Khan Academy all help to prevent our time from flying by too quickly. In conclusion, our perception of time is based on many various factors, and we can use our knowledge of psychology to make the most of our time.